Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a simple and easy recipe, and it's creme brulee. Okay, creme brulee is a dessert consistent of a rich custard base topped with a layer of hardened caramelized sugar. It normally serves chill. Okay, so I have 3 egg yolk here. I'm going to add in sugar, whipping cream. I'm going to add in vanilla beans. Alright, and all the ingredients will be in the description box below. So I'm going to add in 2 cups of heavy cream or whipping cream. So we're going to split the vanilla beans. Just split it. And you just want to take the beans out. See? Just drop it in. What I did, I just put the pads in because we're going to strain it. Alright? So you could just put the pads in. That's fine. In the meantime, we're going to put the yolks in a bigger bowl. Alright? I'm just going to add the sugar. You're just going to let it, you're going to whisk it, let it combine together. Alright? Okay guys, so you see coming to a simmer. So what you're going to do is just gradually add in the egg mixture, okay? Because you do not want the egg to be cooked, to be scrambled eggs, alright? And you're just going to whisk it. Alright? Just going to add it in, and then you turn your heat off. So now you're going to put your ramekins. Now you're going to put your ramekins on a tray. Alright. You're going to pour your mix. You're going to preheat your oven for 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're going to add some hot water. Alright. This is a custard, so you want to bake in water bath. So now you're going to bake for at least 40 to 45 minutes. Okay? So see you back in 40 to 45 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just let it cool. Alright, come to room temperature, and then I'm going to let it chill for at least 3 to 4 hours. Okay, and then I'll come back and show you the next step. Okay, my people, here is my creme brulee. So I let it chill for at least 4 hours. Alright, so now you're going to put some sugar. You want the sugar to go all over and the custard. I'm going to use a torch, and you're going to torch it until the sugar caramelizes, alright? Like so. This dessert is nice for birthday party, for functions. Leave a comment and let me know if you ever have creme brulee. Okay, so I'm just going to let it cool for at least 2 minutes. Okay, you could also, depends on how you eat your creme brulee. Alright, you could put some whipped cream on it and berries of your choice, and even drizzle with some caramel sauce. Okay,